Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to discuss the types of hot plates and which ones to buy. Rest assured, we will also provide you with the best examples of products you can consider buying at the end of this informational video. As always, all the links for the products you mentioned are in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you are interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Hot plates are an excellent option for cooking foods on site at a catering venue, while they can also be used for keeping them warm. These are separated into 3 categories based on type of heating: electric, induction, and gas. Every kind of hot plate has its own benefits, so understanding each of their features can help you decide which one is best suited for you. Before buying a hot plate, there are a few things you would definitely want to consider, primarily the heating type and temperature control. Portability is also a large factor if you plan on using it for outdoor activities or various locations. It is also essential to take into consideration your preferences when it comes to versatility and durability. Lastly, we recommend considering how many burners you need, the safety features, and the degree of temperature versatility it can provide you with. To help guide you before your purchase, here are the main factors you should consider. The first thing you need to consider is its size and weight. Hot plates are engineered with saving space and portability in mind. However, body consumption and the type of cooktop surface affect every unit's size and weight. Stainless steel bodies and cast iron cook places are a bit heavier but are much more stable. The number of features and burners will determine the unit size. On average, one burner unit measures around 9 inches by 9 inches and 2 burner units are around double in size. The second thing you need to consider is its power. Electric hot plates need about 750 to 1800 watts of power depending on the size and heating element type. Whether a hot plate has one or multiple burners will also be a factor in the unit's wattage use. If you plan on using an electric hot plate rather than the gas-powered type, you would want to make sure that you have access to 120-volt electrical outlet or generator. The third thing you need to consider is the number of burners. Single burners are an ideal choice for individuals or couples with low-maintenance cooking needs. Single burners are also small and lightweight, allowing the user to store and transport them with ease. The multi-burner hot plate, on the other hand, allows the user to cook more than one course at a time. However, it is worthy to note that some double-burner hot plates include a regular heating burner, while the second one serves as a warming plate. The fourth thing you need to consider is the cooking surface. Hot plates are available in several plate types, namely glass, coil, or cast iron. The traditional coil surface is lightweight but more difficult to clean. Glass and cast iron cook surfaces, on the other hand, sport a more modern design and are easier to clean. Our team likes to note that not all cook surfaces are compatible with all cookware. This is why we recommend taking a good look at your cookware before deciding on which hot plate to buy. The fifth thing you need to consider are heat controls. Hot plates come in a variety of heating control options. Some have mechanical knobs to adjust the temperature settings. Other units feature digital controls and displays, which are ideal for individuals who prioritize temperature precision. The sixth thing you need to consider is the stability. The low-profile design of hot plates grants them stability. However, features such as stainless steel bodies and slip-resistant feet ensure safety, making this a priority among buyers. Our team highly recommends using hot plates on a flat, fixed surface for maximum safety. The last and probably the most important thing you need to consider is the safety. Hot plates can come with a variety of safety features. Some models have an automatic shutdown function that turns the unit off if a pan is not detected on its surface. Units with double burners can come with an overheat protection feature to prevent the hot plate from exceeding its maximum wattage while in use. One of the most important safety features is the child safety lock that prevents little fingers from turning the burners on. Now that you have a pretty good idea of the essential factors that need to be considered before buying a hot plate, we have prepared a list of the types of hot plates and our top recommendations. The first type is the electric hot plate. Electric hot plates usually have 1 or 2 burners. The heating element being used in this type is either a traditional exposed coil burner or an integrated coil with a flat burner. Integrated coil burners cook more evenly than exposed coil. However, they take a bit longer to heat. For exposed coil hot plates, heavy-bottomed cookware is recommended to minimize uneven heating. Some exposed coils are equipped with a glass covering that makes cleanup a bit easier. Our team recommends the CUSIMAX double hot plate. The CUSIMAX is compatible with all types of pots and pans with a maximum size of 6.1 to 7.4 inches. In addition, this hot plate works well with glass and aluminum and heats cookware efficiently with minimal heat loss. Our team found the unit very easy to operate, as we simply turn the burner on and off using its knob. The cooker does not emit any radiation, making it perfectly safe for the whole family. It is worth mentioning that this hot plate is equipped with a thermostat, allowing it to automatically cycle the power on and off, maintaining the temperature you have set. In terms of safety, the unit has an automatic shut-off function with temperature regulated by its thermostat. The team likes to note that we were able to simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth after after cooling. The cooker is made with an extremely durable stainless steel body for everyday use and is equipped with a high-quality cast iron heating plate. Due to the CUSIMAX double hot plates, double burners, and portable design, the team recommends this for dorm rooms, apartments, or small-sized households. Despite its numerous practical features and good cooking performance, it comes at a very reasonable price, making it a worthwhile buy. The second type is the induction hot plate. Induction hot plates use an electromagnetic field instead of ambient heat, meaning this type of hot plate requires compatible cookware that works with induction heating. Our team recommends using induction-ready stainless steel and non-stick cookware with magnetic bottoms. Some models already come with an induction-ready pan, making it very convenient if you don't have a piece of suitable cookware. Induction hot plates are popular among buyers because cooking is faster with induction heating and they don't get hot to the touch. In addition, they don't pose the same fire hazard as gas plates. Our team recommends the Duxtop portable induction cooktop countertop burner. This elegantly designed induction cooker uses 120 volts and a 15-ampere electrical outlet, the standard in all North American homes. Our team found it lightweight and compact, allowing us to carry it around and store it with ease. We would like to make mention of its digital control panel with a built-in countdown timer that allows 1-minute increments of up to 170 minutes. The cooker has 10 temperature ranges from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit with 10 power levels from 200 to 1800 watts. With no open flame or heating element, our team found this very easy to clean. We simply wiped it spotless with a damp towel. It is worth mentioning the cooker's 7-blade fan that functions to rapidly dissipate heat to ensure longevity. In terms of safety, the induction cooker has an auto shut-off function that shuts down the unit after 60 seconds when no pan is detected. In addition, it is equipped with a diagnostic error message system and a low and high voltage warning. At the time of making this video, the product comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty as well as after-sales customer service. This gives you the ultimate peace of mind if you decide to buy one. Overall, the Duxtop portable induction burner is one of the safest hot plate options available. Our team recommends this for couples or small-sized families because of its compact profile. It is highly portable, making it also a convenient choice for individuals who often travel or go camping, given that they have a source of electricity. The last type is the gas hot plate. Gas hot plates make a great camping accessory because of their portability. In addition, they are the ideal option for outdoor events that don't have access to electricity. More often than not, gas hot plates are powered by propane fuel. They are known to heat and cook more evenly than its electrical counterpart. Some industrial gas hot plates come with a removable cast iron grates for maintenance and easy cleaning. Our team recommends the Gas One dual fuel propane or butane portable stove. This gas portable stove is equipped with a modified built-in regulator that allows it to be conveniently used with both an 8-ounce butane container or a 16.4-ounce propane tank. The stove has a piezoelectric ignition system, eliminating the use of lighters or matches to ignite the flame. Our team found operating it very easy thanks to its adjustable heat dial, which allowed us to accurately set the heat of our preference. It is worth mentioning that even this gas stove cooker has a built-in safety feature in which its pressure sensor ejects the fuel canister if irregular gas flow is detected. The stove has wind blockers on the 4 corners of the burning head that keeps the flame from turning off because of the wind. The manufacturer even went the extra mile to include a durable carrying case for easy transport and storage. Overall, our team finds the Gas One dual portable stove the ideal choice for camping or other outdoor activities because it's portable and doesn't require an electric heat source. This is a great companion to have in case of an emergency such as prolonged power outages. It is indeed a practical option for any household. And there you have it, folks, the In the Kitchen team's breakdown of the types of hot plates and which ones to buy. If you have any insights you would like to share with the team, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.